4. Rosa Parks. What is equality? Do you treat everyone, rich or poor, equally? Do you think everyone should be treated equally? Let's read about Rosa Parks, who devoted her whole life struggling for the civil rights. Rosa Parks is the woman known as the mother of the civil rights movement. She was a black woman born in 1913 in Alabama, USA. At that time, there were laws segregating black and white people. This meant that African Americans could only use facilities that were labeled colored only. Rosa grew up living with and taking care of her little brother, mother, and elderly grandparents. Her grandmother told her stories about slavery and segregation. Her mother also talked to her about the injustices that were taking place. In 1943, she became one of the first female members and secretary of the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP, on the historical day of December 1, 1955. Rosa Parks was tired and on her way home from a long day at work, with a bag full of groceries in her arms. She boarded the Cleveland Avenue bus. Soon, the white section of the bus filled up, and a white man boarded the bus and looked around for a seat. Noticing the white man, the bus driver yelled at 4 blacks, including Rosa, to get up. All of them but Parks obeyed. Parks was arrested. Since Parks was well respected by everyone in her community, her arrest sparked what is known today as the Montgomery bus boycott. Parks was found guilty at her trial in Montgomery, but it was appealed to the lower court. Parks' dream came true on June 2, 1956, when the lower court declared segregated seating on bus unconstitutional. On December 20, 1956, the Supreme Court upheld the lower court order that Montgomery buses must be integrated. By this time, the boycott had spread to many other cities. Parks' refusal to give up her seat on the bus marked a beginning for the civil rights movements of the 1950s and 1960s. Rosa Parks helped change the laws in America. Because of her actions, everyone in America has equal rights. She was honored in 1996 by President Bill Clinton, who gave her the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest honor an American citizen can receive. Rosa Parks' story and accomplishments teach us that it is possible to make our dreams, no matter how unlikely they may seem, become a reality.